This video is made by Rahul Kumar Singh and Mansi Kumari of BVOC FPM of Banaras Hindu University. This video helps upcoming students to take decision regarding admission in RGSC, BHU. Hello friends. Hope you all are doing well
and safe at home. Today I am going to tell you about Rajiv Gandhi South Campus, Barkacha,
Mirzapur, the South Campus of Banaras Hindu University. So, let's get started. Before going to start this video, I would like to show you the images of starting of BHU South Campus. The main gate of Rajiv Gandhi South Campus of Banaras Hindu University.
And the DDU Kushal Kendra, also called admin, where counseling and classes do takes place for vocational courses, AGBSC student and MBA agribusiness etc.
This video is specially for those students who are appearing Banaras Hindu University entrance exam. Especially to those who had applied for Bachelor of Vocation in Food Processing and Management, Modern Office Management, Medical Lab Technology, Fashion Design, Retail and Logistic Management, Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences and BCom and other course present in RGSC. So, before taking admission in any college, we cover everything goods of the college. Especially things like, first one, fame of university. Second one, details of university. Third one, whether it's affiliated or it is a self-brand. Fourth one, places for visit within the campus. Fifth one, big campus. Sixth one, hostel facilities. Seventh one, mess food. Eighth one, life of student. Ninth one, library facilities. 10th one, availability of electricity and Wi-Fi facilities. 11th one, presence of park for relaxation. 12th one, placement. 13th one, hostel life.
And the last one, gym and playground.
Let's go through the first one, that is the fame of university. Our BHU occupies third rank among the top universities in India. Many outside peoples and YouTuber are unaware about the South Campus of BHU. Many of them think RGSC is one of the best affiliated university of BHU. But the fact is totally different, that is, South Campus of BHU is known as Rajiv Gandhi South Campus RGSC. Let's get detail about BHU. Banaras Hindu University, formerly Central Hindu College, is a public central university located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. It was established jointly in 1916 by Maharaja of Darbhanga Rameshwar Singh, Madan Mohan Malaviya, Sir Sundar Lal and British Theosophist and Home Rule League founder Annie Besant. The university's main campus, spread over 1,300 acres, 5.3 square kilometers, was built on land donated by the Kashi Naresh Prabhu Narayan Singh, the hereditary ruler of Banaras, Kashi, being an alternative name for Banaras or Varanasi. The South Campus, spread over 2,700 acres, that is 11 square kilometers, hosts the Krishi Vigyan Kendra Agriculture Science Center and is located in Barkacha in Mirzapur district. There are many affiliated schools and colleges with BHU. The colleges are Arya Mahila Mahavidyalaya, DAV Postgraduate College, Vasanta College for Women and Vasant Kanya Mahavidyalaya.
And the schools are
Ranveer Sanskrit Vidyalaya, Central Hindu Boys School, Central Hindu Girls School, CHS. There are many places to visit within the campus. As the campus itself is on plateau, it has huge area to visit around. The university has constructed 2 dams to fulfill the scarcity of water, which has become a good place for students to relax and roam around.
And here comes the waterfalls. You will be amazed to know that there is a fall beside the campus known as Vindum Fall.
Vindum Fall is the well-known fall of Mirzapur, where many people comes from different towns to visit the beauty of Vindum Fall. RGSC occupies a huge area of 2,700 acres, that is nearly equal to 11 square kilometers. Let's move on to the next topic. The hostel facility of RGSC. The first year students' fees may vary between 2,300 to 4,100 per year, in which 1,800 is refundable at the completion of course. After the completion of first year, the hostel fees reduces to 2,300 to 2,500 per year. There are total 8 hostels in the campus, and each room is occupied by 2 to 3 students. The hostel mess food is delicious and affordable at low rate of 30 to 40 rupees per diet, that is 2,600 to 3,000 per month. When it comes to the life of students in RGSC, we simply say the life of BHU students are just awesome and wonderful as compared to any other colleges in India. The Sunday, also called Fun Day, is a day of enjoyment when most of the students roam around the beautiful places around the campus, like hills, waterfalls, cafeteria, etc. The weather formed in BHU South Campus is really admirable. Due to its presence in plateau region, its weather has certain changes which cause huge fun to BHU nights. With all the funds in the campus, beside there is a calm and environmental friendly library with huge amount of oxygen decorated by plants and flowers. There is 24 hours electricity supply for students for their studies. The library and admin is fully Wi-Fi connected for students, so that students don't face any kind of difficulties in their studies. RGSC students are also provided with a park called Malviya Park, which is used by students for various purposes like senior-junior interaction, birthday parties, rehearsal, etc. When it comes to the placement, South Campus don't provide much package placement like main campus as seen in IIT BHU and IMS BHU, but it provides placement to entire courses. But newly added course haven't seen any placement yet. Newly added courses are expecting placement within 1 to 2 years of gap,
as the placement shell for RGSC has been formed for students.
Let's discuss about the hostel life of RGSC students. Hostel life of RGSC is considered as heaven on earth by students. Everyone misses their life of RGSC. The memories of hostel are unforgettable, as the RGSC hostel are more than a palace which everyone wants to experience.
As most students get conscious about their body and health in colleges, RGSC provides them with well-maintained gym and stadium to play, which shape their body and health. By the completion of this project, I would like to thank the entire team of BVOC FPM for helping me complete this video.